Tired of your Google Slides looking bland with default fonts? Learn how to change font style in seconds and make your presentation stand out. You know, that moment when you open a slide deck and every single letter looks exactly the same, it just doesn't grab anyone's attention. But here's the good news. Fixing that is incredibly easy, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how. So here's the plan. First, we'll open your presentation. Then, select the text you want to change. After that, we'll use the font drop-down menu to pick a new style. Simple stuff. Let's dive in. Go ahead and open your Google Slides presentation. You can find it in your Google Drive, or if you have a link, just click that. Once it's loaded, you should see your slides on the left and your main editing area in the center. If you've got a presentation with that default look, don't worry, we're about to fix it. Now, click on the text you want to edit. Just single-click inside the text box. You'll see a blinking cursor appear. If you want to change just one word or a single line, highlight that specific text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. But if you want to change the entire text box, just click once on the border of the box until you see those little blue squares around it. That selects everything inside. And here's a quick tip. If you have multiple text boxes you want to change, hold down the Shift key and click each one. That way you can update them all at once. All right, now for the fun part. Look up at the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll see a drop-down menu that probably says Arial or Times New Roman if you haven't changed it yet. That's the font drop-down menu. Click on it. A list of all available fonts will pop up. You might see a few options right away, but if you scroll down, there's a whole collection to choose from. Google Slides has a ton of great fonts built right in. Go ahead and scroll through the list and find one that fits the tone of your presentation. Are you going for something professional, like Lotto or Roboto? Maybe something a bit more playful, like Comic Sans or Pacifico. Just click on the font name and watch your selected text update instantly. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your slide transform right before your eyes. If you don't like the first choice, just click the drop-down again and try another. It's totally non-destructive, so experiment a bit. Now, take a second to verify that your text actually changed. Look at your slide and make sure the font matches what you selected. Sometimes, if you clicked outside the text box before choosing a font, it might not apply. So if it didn't work, just reselect the text and try again. Once you see the new style on your slide, you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font style in your Google Slides presentation. Pretty straightforward, right? Now your slides have a much more polished, custom look that stands out from all those generic presentations. If you found this helpful, we've got plenty more quick tutorials here at AI Mastery to help you work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.